Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is comparative adjectives. In the previous lecture, I told you about the adjectives. Adjective is the quality of something good or bad. For example, he is a good boy. Good is adjective. In the same way, I will say that she is wearing a pink dress. So, what is the adjective in it? Pink. But our topic for today is comparative adjective. When we compare two things or more than two things, when we use comparative adjective, we want to compare two things. यानी हम जब दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करना चाहें तो which form of adjective we will use? Comparative adjective. और when we want to compare more than two things, we use superlative form of adjective. For example, if I will say she is tall. Tall is adjective. If I want to compare two girls, she is taller than her sister. And if we want to compare her with more than two people, so we will say she is the tallest in her family. So our topic for today is comparative adjective. I hope so that this topic will be clear in your mind कि हम जब दो चीज़ों को compare कर रहे हों, so we will use comparative form of adjective. यानी adjective की second form हम use करेंगे जब हम दो चीज़ों को compare कर रहे हैं. In your book, on page number 14, there is an exercise. Today we will solve it. And which form of verb we will use? Comparative adjective. We start our topic. Put in taller, bigger, more beautiful, better, worse. Number 1. My brother is tall, but yours is taller than mine. You can see that in this example, we are comparing two people. My brother and your. यानी हम दो चीज़ों को compare कर रहे हैं. My brother को your brother से. So which form of adjective we will use? We will use comparative form of adjective. And the comparative form of adjective tall is taller. My brother is tall. Tall is an adjective. But yours is taller than mine. So we have used the comparative form of adjective, that is taller. Second, our classroom is big. Big is an adjective. But theirs is bigger than yours. So comparative form of adjective is bigger. Big, bigger. Next, her drawing was beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. But his was more beautiful than hers. So, comparative adjective of beautiful is more beautiful. His marks were good. Good is an adjective. But hers were better than his. So what is the comparative adjective of good? Better. So we will use better. My writing is bad. Bad is adjective. But yours is worse than mine. So what is the comparative adjective of bad? Worse. We revise this topic again. Tall, taller. Big, bigger. Beautiful, more beautiful. Good, better. Bad, worse. These words are written here also. You can use this list to fill in the blanks. But you should know what is the comparative adjective of these words. Tall, taller. Big, bigger. Beautiful, more beautiful. Good, better. Bad, worse. So, we will sum up this topic by saying that when we want to compare two things, जब हम दो चीज़ों का मुकाबला कर रहे हों, उनके एडजेक्टिव्स का, उनकी क्वालिटीज़ का, तो we will use comparative adjective. We will use the second form of adjective, that is comparative adjective. यानी आप comparative adjective use करेंगे and you will fill in the blanks. Please write down these fill in the blanks in your copies and send me the work. Class 3, our next topic is unit number 3, that is simple past tense. In your book, this unit number 3, you can see in the book on page number 15, simple past tense. So we will do today simple past tense. I will explain it to you that we use simple past tense when something happened in the past. यानी जब past में कोई चीज़ हुई हो माजी में, we will use simple past tense. I will tell you the method how you will translate the Urdu sentence into English. Firstly you will use subject, then second form of verb, then object. यानी आप पहले subject use करेंगे, then सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगाएंगे और फिर उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अली क्लोज द डोर. अली इज सब्जेक्ट, वी हैव यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब क्लोज एंड डोर इज ऑब्जेक्ट. अली क्लोज द डोर. एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू चेंज इट इनटू नेगेटिव, you will use subject plus did not, first form of verb and object. It means that in negative we use did not and we use first form of verb. Don't forget that we use first form of verb in negative. Ali did not close the door. In this sentence we have used did not and we use close. We have not used second form of verb. We will use close, means first form of verb. Then comes to interrogative. Did plus subject. We will use did at the beginning of the sentence, did, then subject, then first form of verb and object. For example, did Ali close the door? We have used in this sentence did at the beginning, then we have used subject, verb, first form of verb and then object. Did Ali close the door? I hope so that you will understand that what is the simple past tense. We use simple past tense when we want to describe something that has happened in the past. And we use second form of verb in the simple sentence. We use did not plus first form in the negative. And we use did in the beginning and first form of verb in the interrogative. So we will read page number 15, unit number 3. Jameel looked in the window. He knocked on the door. Uzma opened the door. Jameel walked into the classroom. Uzma closed the door. The teacher pointed to the blackboard. Jameel cleaned the blackboard. The teacher smiled. She thanked Jameel. She said, "Thank you, Jameel." Jameel walked back to his place. This is page number 15. You have to read next 2 pages as well. These are all the examples of simple past tense, page number 16 and 17. And your homework is that you have to solve on page number 19. Page 19, there is an exercise. Give answers like these. For example, did you have apples for breakfast this morning? And the answer is no, I didn't. I had rice. This exercise you have to solve on your copies. You will use simple past tense in this exercise. Second example is, did you come to school by bus today? Yes, I did. Or no, I did not. I came by Tonga. Please keep in mind that you have to use simple past tense in these answers. You have to solve all these question answers on your copies. This is your homework, page number 19, exercise 5. Next is exercise number 6. On page number 19 again, finish these sentences. Finish these sentences. You have to solve it. Number 1. Yesterday I wore Wore is the second form of wear. I wore dash. So you can use different words in this sentence. Yesterday I wore blue dress, or you can use any other word, but you have to fill in the blanks. Next is last night I ate. You can use last night I ate ice cream, last night I ate apples, last night I ate rice. So you have to solve exercise number 6 on your copy. So your homework is that you have to read unit number 3 and you have to solve exercise number 5 and 6 on page number 19 in your copies. Thank you so much.